Dear student, hello. Welcome to the video class on programming languages using C. In this video, in the chapter Introduction to Programming Concepts, I'll be teaching you the advantages and disadvantages of various programming languages. Firstly, machine language, the advantages of machine language. The main advantages of machine languages are, the first one is it's the only language which the computer's processor can directly understand. So, computer ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋ ಒಂದೇ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. The second advantage is machine language can efficiently use the storage of the computer. Since it works on machine codes and the memory and processor of the computer can directly handle only the machine codes, efficient usage of storage devices as well as CPU can be made using machine language. And the third advantage is if you write instructions in machine language, you don't require a translation for them before execution on the computer. So you can directly execute them on the computer. The machine language has an increased efficiency of program execution because it manipulates individual data bits and bytes. So, since the computer circuits are equipped to execute machine codes directly, the efficiency with which the machine language program can execute is also very good. Now coming to the disadvantages of machine language. The disadvantages of machine language are basically mainly for the programmer. So there are disadvantages with the programmer, disadvantages of machine language for the programmer, and not many of those disadvantages are linked to the computer. So for the programmer, knowing and remembering all the binary codes for the various operations which are performed in the program is difficult. Remembering binary codes for all the data items is also a mammoth task for him. And also, second disadvantage is the programmer has to know the internal organization of the computer, all the circuitry and devices, how data flows between them, everything has to be known by the programmer. And the third disadvantage is machine language is machine dependent. It's not a portable language. It's a machine oriented language. A program written for one kind of machine cannot be run or executed directly on a computer of different brand. That's yet another disadvantage of machine language. And one more disadvantage is to perform one single specific task, machine language requires a large number of instructions. So the lines of codes we have to write for even a small task is also big in machine language. Also, the programmer should keep track of the memory locations in the computer which are referred by the program. It's not just writing the program, it's also he has to take care of how and where the data is stored in the memory locations. Hence, writing a machine language code is going to be quite slow and a tedious task. These are few disadvantages of machine language. Coming to assembly language, the advantages of assembly language are the assembly language uses mnemonics instead of binary codes. Mnemonics are English-like symbols and acronyms, hence they are easier to remember. And also, storage locations are indicated by symbols. They are not indicated by their numeric value or binary value. Hence, it's easier to remember the storage locations as well. The next advantage of assembly language is data can be easily represented in assembly language because it uses decimal hexadecimal number system instead of binary number system. Decimal and hexadecimal are easier for a programmer to remember because those are the number systems which we generally use. And also, it makes use of ASCII codes if at all binary values have to be used. So ASCII codes, ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. For every English symbol and numerical value, the ASCII gives 8-bit equivalent binary value. So you need to remember only the ASCII symbol instead of remembering the binary value in assembly language. So that eases out the programming job of a programmer. Also, error detection and debugging is easy compared to machine language. So debugging means correcting the errors. So detecting the errors and correcting them becomes easy in assembly language. And if at all you have to modify any part of the program, modification is also quite easy. Whereas the disadvantages of assembly language are it's also a machine dependent language. It's not portable. A program written for one computer brand cannot be directly executable on another computer brand. So for every brand of computer, there is a separate assembly language. The assembly language is specific to the CPU. So an Intel CPU will have a different assembly language compared to an AMD brand CPU. So that's how it is. So if you have to write a program for that particular processor, you have to follow that particular assembly language only. So there is a strong machine dependency in assembly language. Also, the program code is complex when compared to a high-level language program. So these are disadvantages of assembly language. Now coming to the advantages of high-level language. High-level languages are machine independent, irrespective of what brand computer you are using to run the high-level program. You never need to modify even a single instruction in your program. The programs are directly portable and executable on any computer throughout the world. On top of it, the high-level languages are simple and easy to learn. You can document the programs very well. If you understand the program, you can very well document the program as well. So both are interlinked. And whenever you want to modify some parts of the program, it's easy to modify the high-level language program. Some disadvantages of high-level language are the execution of high-level language programs is slow compared to machine language and assembly language. And the programs written in high-level language, they have to be compiled or interpreted because they are not understandable by the computer. You have to pass those programs through the compiler or interpreter, translate them to machine language, only then you can feed it for the CPU for execution. So this step will add some delay to the overall process. When compared to the machine language or assembly language, the CPU and memory usage is less efficient in high-level language. And the high-level language has less flexibility in code development compared to assembly language. Since assembly language is a program directly, language directly linked to the CPU, the brand of the CPU itself, there is more flexibility in how you can write programs there. But since high-level language is a generic language and it's not machine language, the flexibility in programming, particularly in system programming, will be much lesser compared to the other two languages. So these are the disadvantages of high-level